Pioneer Days at the Clarkston Family Farm. Today is such a special day. First of all, it's our last family fun day of the season. We've done 6, which have been each so special and amazing. Pioneer Days is something that really ties in nicely with some of what we feel is important at the Clarkston Family Farm, and that's just getting back to basics, learning about canning, learning about harvesting, learning about preserving food. Some of those homesteading crafts and activities that were very popular in Pioneer Days are something that we feel could be revisited and taught and is still valuable skills and also a lot of fun to learn for kids. So we love this theme, Pioneer Day at the Clarkston Family Farm. So our Clarkston Family Farm Family Fun Days have been one Saturday every month. And it really came out of this idea that people love coming to the farm. We're open every Wednesday and Thursday from 12 to 6 for normal visiting hours, but people are coming on the weekends. So let's make that more intentional. Let's open our doors to the community, and let's even take this opportunity to have it be a teaching moment. So each of our Family Fun Days, we started way back in March, have had a theme. We've done maple sugaring, we had a all about bees pollinator theme, we had one that was baby farm animals, we did 1 month that was our monarch butterflies, that was in late August. And we felt like fall, that Pioneer Days really worked nicely into, again, our curriculum and what we try to share with the community. It's been such a huge success. We will definitely continue this for next year, so look forward to that.